Hey guys, today we'll be running a simple script on Ubuntu for a Unix Operating Systems class. I hope you like it. It's kind of simple, so we'll start now. We're going to switch to the desktop. We're going to see the script. The script's called Project 1, so we're going to run it with /. This is the just so you can continue, just press any key to continue and access the menu. This is the principal menu. It has 5 options: see your processes, calculate 3 types of formulas. You got the option to create a temporary directory. The 4th option is a menu array, and then you can exit the programs. Kind of simple. It's just, giving you the overview of the program. So we'll hit option 1 and then enter. Right now you can see all of my process right here in detailed form. It's used with more, and then by page I can see all the processes I'm using in the computer. The second option will take me to the calculate menu. Press continue here. I got 4 options: get the factorial of a number, get the result of an exponential using Taylor expansion, and calculating pi using a series. So I'll hit 1, enter any type of number, and there you go. I have the result. Do it again. I'll hit 3, 2 seconds for it, and there you go. You got option 2. You just enter any value of x and it'll calculate it, let you know what's the value. I'll do it again. Another type of value would be 4. There you go. Number 3, you'll calculate pi. The series, I'll do it again. Number 3, calculating pi. And then 4, just to go back to the main menu, I'll go ahead and pick 3 over here to create a temporary directory. I'm just gonna call it temp dir for temporary directory 1, 2, 3, and it'll let me know on which directory it's created. Go ahead and click enter. You can see it here. This is just the ls command, just to list all I have in there. It took me back to the main menu. I'm going to show you where I have that temporary directory. TPM, I have it here. Like I said, temp dir 123 dot, and this particular code, whatever you name the directory, it'll add XXX, like 6 more characters out of it, because that's how the make temp command works to create temporary directories. We'll close this. We'll go ahead and go into the 4th option. Press any key to continue to that menu, and I got 5 options. One of them is enter number for array, get the sum of the array, get the average of the array, get the maximum of the array, and then exit. I'll go ahead and create an array, 5 numbers for it, so it will be from index 0 through index 4. 2, 5, 7, 3, and 9. I'll go ahead and create an array with those numbers. Now I can go ahead and click type 2 for that option and get the sum of it total. It's 26. I can go ahead and get the average now for it on a floating point number. or decimal number or double number, whatever your preference is, and then I can go ahead and get the maximum number for the array, or the greatest number, the bigger number. So 4, and it's 9. I can go ahead and do it again. It'll clear out the array. I'm going to do 6 numbers, so 1, 5, 2, 0, and 6. One more, 8. There we go. And then just to get the sum, or get the average, get this one, this, and the maximum number is, there we go, 8. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Let me know when I'm back in the main menu. And right now, we've done processes, we've done the calculate menu, factorial, exponential, pi. We've seen that this gets us back into the main menu. Number 3 creates the temporary directory on the temporary folder. I've seen that over here. The array menu just creates the array, however large the user wants it, and gets the sum, the average, maximum number, and then exits the array. So right now I can go ahead and close the program with the option 5. It'll let me know that I've exited the program. I can go ahead and close the terminal, and this right here is the entire script going one by one. I call the dash terminal, clear it. The greeting on echo, I create the variable option just to select stuff from the main menu. I do a while loop, and since I have 5 options, the option number 5 it's for quitting the program. I got my different print format commands to display the different options on the menu over here. Once I do that, I enter the option, it reads it, takes me to every case in the first menu. If I want to do the processes, I choose option 1. Here's the command for it. It'll display every process done by the current user and display it by page with more in the pipe. The second will take you to the calculating menu and display the options, create a variable for the option for the menu, and then you got the first one for the factorial, you got the second option for the exponential using the binary calculator over here, so you can see the code real quick. Second option, for the exponential, and then the third for pi using also the binary calculator, and then exiting that menu to go back into the main menu. You got the ESAC just to end the case, the switching case, and then done for that while loop over here that we did. And look here, you got 4 options. So number 4 is just for quitting the menu. Then we go ahead to the third option, that's just for creating the temporary directory or folder. You enter the name, and then name it's the temporary directory is created with the variable, and then a minimum of 6 characters. And then just so you can see what's in the temporary folder, you put a wait time of 8 seconds. You put the break semicolons just to get out of that option, go back to the main menu, clear the screen. If you want option number 4, go ahead and press any key just to advance into the actual menu. You create the variable array option just for that particular menu, and 5 actions number 5 being the option for quitting. You got the different print format commands just to display the options on the menu. The ends are for enters, like vertical spaces, and then the T's/T's are horizontal spaces. You read the option chosen by the user and then go ahead and perform either of the 5 options here. Got number 1, just to create the array, pick a size, and then that size will be compared to in a for loop against an I starting from 0 and then incrementing until it reaches just below size. Then any number enter will go into the actual array, and this is the index for that array. Once you're done, you got to close that for loop, and then you gotta wait time of 2 seconds just so you can see what you have on the array, and then you do a break just to go back to the main menu. The second option is just for getting the sum of the array. You'll display and sum it up. All of the numbers will be summed up and then displayed. But kind of easier over here. You do the break and go back to the array menu. Then you do the third option or the fourth, no matter what, in which order you do it. You do a clear just to get a clear terminal. Do the calculations for sum and for the average, and then display the average with 3 decimal spaces right of the to the right of the dot, and then you do a wait time of 2 just to see the results, and then you can do the maximum search with a maximum sort over here. You just do a for loop, and he'll pick the biggest number or the greater number, comparing it to the lesser numbers, and just adding it up and pushing it to the 0 index, just to make sure the biggest number is on the 0 index or the first index. You do the display of the max number and then a wait time of 2. Then you can exit the array by clicking option 5. And over here you got option 5. That's just for the exit of the program, and then you'll display that you're exiting the script plus waiting 2 and then actually exiting the script. And over here is just an additional exception handling, that if you pick a run number or you don't do one of the 5 actual menus over there, you're gonna be given a wrong option. Please try again, so you can enter again your options. So that's about it. You close the case over here, the switching case of the main menu, and then you close that while loop over here, and that's about it. Hope you like it.